Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to set fingerprint in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set guys fingerprint in Vivo phone, so guys you can set fingerprint. And guys, now let's see how to set fingerprint in Vivo phone. So guys, first of all guys, open your phone setting and guys click on guys security setting. Guys, click on guys fingerprint. Confirm your pattern guys if you have. Then guys you can say start inputting guys. Click on guys sensor. So we will take like that guys. Remove and touch guys. You will have to touch and remove guys sensor. Touch and remove guys. Then guys you can, as you can see guys, fingerprint has set it done. And guys, now let's see guys. So phone is screen on boss. So you can open your phone with your fingers. So I hope friends you have understood how to set fingerprint in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will move to next video with the topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.